When the night feels long and heavy, and your heart forgets its song, when hope feels far and away, and you wonder what went wrong, take it to the Lord in prayer. When the storms rise without warning, and peace feels out of reach, when faith is stretched and trembling, and tears fall as you preach, take it to the Lord in prayer. When the doors you've knocked stay silent, and strength begins to fade, when all your plans seem broken, and dreams feel like they've strayed, take it to the Lord in prayer. When guilt clings to your spirit, and grace feels far to find, when yesterday still haunts you, and regret clouds your mind, take it to the Lord in prayer. For prayer rebuilds the broken pieces, and softens every pain. It draws your soul to stillness, and make you whole again. Take it to the Lord in prayer, beloved. Yes.